Hello, everyone. Today I'm excited to show you how to use ChatGPT to enhance your writing process and unlock new levels of creativity. This guide will provide you with the essential strategies to boost your productivity and take your writing to the next level. And if you're looking for additional prompts or resources, be sure to check out the pinned comment below. All right, let's get started. Sometimes coming up with fresh and original story ideas can feel like trying to catch lightning in the bottle. Whether you're stuck in the early stages of plotting or need some inspiration for your characters, ChatGPT can be an amazing brainstorming partner. So let's see how it works in real time. I'm going to ask it for help with the mystery novel idea. The key is to be specific with your prompt. So, ChatGPT can provide targeted suggestions. So, let's put together our prompt down here and see what it comes up with. So, here's the one that I put together right here. Help me brainstorm a unique plot for a mystery novel set in a small coastal town, starting with a disgraced police officer as the protagonist. And yep, let's send this off. All right, here is what Chat came up with once I sent this over, and here it is. So, take a look at how it has incorporated the setting and character into the plot, adding a layer of mystery to the story. So, as you can see, there are the plot highlights right here. ChatGPT added some really interesting twists, like, let's see, for example, this one, this details right here. And yeah, this is a great starting point for building out your story. You can always refine or expand on these ideas to match your vision. It depends on what you want to tweak out what ChatGPT had provided for you. So, in that case, this is quite helpful, I must say, ChatGPT. Thank you. Writer's block. We've all been there. You're staring at a blank page, unsure of where to go next. It can feel frustrating and even derail your creative flow. But with ChatGPT, you can break through that wall by asking for help to keep the story moving forward. Let's see how this works. I'm currently stuck on a scene in a fantasy novel where the hero and the villain meet for the first time. So let's ask ChatGPT to help me write their dialogue. Now, here's the prompt that I put together. So let's say, yep, here it is. This is what I just stated right here. Now, let's send this off. All right, so here's what ChatGPT generated. Here it is. So let's say my characters were Alaric and Lord Malakar right here. So just take a closer look at the dialogue and see how it handles the tension between the hero and the villain. And yeah, that's great. Look at that. So even this isn't exactly what you had in mind per se, let's say that, it's a fantastic starting point, I can see. You can tweak this, the dialogue, you can adjust the tone as well, or use parts of it to fit your story. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful tools a writer has, descriptive writing. Great descriptions can transport your readers into your story, making them feel like they're right there in the scene. Now, let's try it out. I'm going to ask ChatGPT once more to describe a medieval market, focusing on what someone might see, hear, and smell in this lively setting. So here's the prompt that I've come up with right here, just as I stated. Now, send this off once more. Okay, now that the prompt is sent, let's give ChatGPT a moment to process. And As you can see, here we go. ChatGPT has processing with a description of the medieval marketplace. So, see, just read it out for yourself here. See how well it paints the picture using sensory details? That's fantastic. Just look at how vivid this description is. Every paragraph that ChatGPT had generated for us. This is a perfect foundation to build on for your scene. See? And there you have it. Whether you're looking to speed up your writing process or add a fresh perspective to your work, ChatGPT can be an incredible asset, AI as well, to your creativity. Until next time, everybody.